that you can be taming this fire. Let me be your tempo, tempo. Don't you ever let go, let go. Hands around my waist, you're feeling my groove. Fire go boom, 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 tempo. Wanna feel that rush, no, no. Come and get it, keep up the, keep up the. I can get enough, no, no. Keep up the tempo. Wanna feel that rush, no, no. Come and get it, keep up the, keep up the. I can get enough, no, no. Keep up the, keep up the, keep up the tempo.
I'm broken, the door is closing. Wanna be a part of something more than this. I've lost control of it, I've lost control. You're not giving me enough. 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 Talking to myself and I can't focus. Yeah, I'm broken, the door is closing. Wanna be a part of something more than this. I've lost control of it, I've lost control. You're not giving me enough. 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 You're not giving me enough.
I live a life without a meaning. I live a life without a sense. But once you've opened up my eyes, I started healing and made me find another chance. So I tried to survive all the pain inside my mind, but only God knows how to leave it all behind. We were bound at the start, now you're tearing me apart, and I'm the one to start the fight from once upon a time. Will I just keep floating away from this world? Pick me up, give me hope, let me say one more word. Heaven's so far away tonight, but where the water meets the sky won't be alright. The world we left behind. The world we knew just started changing. The world we had just broke apart. We were bound at the start, now you're tearing me apart, and I'm the one to start the fight from once upon a time. Will I just keep floating away from this world? Pick me up, give me hope, let me say one more word. Heaven's so far away tonight, but where the water meets the sky won't be alright. The world we left behind. Heaven's so far away tonight, but where the water meets the sky won't be alright. what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.